Hey guys, Leo Flores here, Hobby GMC, coming to you with another video. Today what we'll be going over is setting up your Bluetooth device on one of our new body style terrains. Now this is a similar process in all our lineups, so just like we do this, it'll be the same in almost every single vehicle that we have. So what you'll first want to do is you'll want to go to your phone and click on that. Then you would want to hit phone up here if it's not already selected, and then just hit connect phone. Now you'll come to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you'll want to go to your device. Now mine is in settings. What you want to do is you want to hit settings and then find your Bluetooth. So you'll want to click on Bluetooth on your phone, and as you can see, I have a lot of Bluetooth devices on my phone already. But down at the very bottom, it shows you a little wheel turning that is searching for devices. Now here in just a minute, I'm going to select add phone up here on the screen, and it's searching now. So here in just a minute, on my device, the My GMC pops up, and we'll go ahead and click on that. Now it'll prompt me a pair and a pair on the screen up here. What you want to do is you want to make sure the numbers match up. If they do, just hit pair and hit pair on the screen as well. In a matter of a few seconds, this will pop up asking you to allow your contacts to switch over, and you want to make sure to hit that just so all your contacts show up on the screen. Now my phone is now paired, and that's the simple process of hooking up your phone. Now part 2.